What's up, guys? It's Mike here with Growing Indoors 365. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I'm going to make a quick video. I have a couple of new, thoughts on what I'm going to be growing in the tent. Let me just show you what I got going on. It's been a little while since I've come to you guys with a new video. I know I do apologize. I'm doing this off my phone right now. I don't even know where to look, but I really wanted just to connect real quick and let you guys know a lot of new stuff is coming up. And I'm super excited. As the winter rolls in, that's when I really start to, start growing a lot more. So I have a number of seedlings that are currently being germinated right now at the upstairs. But let me turn the camera around. Let me show you guys what I got currently going on, and let's go from there. So the tent is an absolute mess, a complete mess. I mean, literally, I'm making this video on a fly. I just wanted to connect quickly. I was actually considering doing a live on YouTube, but I decided not to. As you can see here, this light is literally laying there because I've been cleaning the basement area where everything is, if you guys aren't aware. So I moved my entire operation from upstairs down into the basement. I got the large tent set up right here, and I have a ton. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's like 4 or 5 reservoirs right there. All of these are about to get cleaned. That's the only clean one. This one's also dirty. Look at all the rock. Look at all the clay pebbles. Ton of clay pebbles. I mean, this is what happens when you have multiple bins that haven't been washed for a little while. But guess what? It's gonna be awesome. I'm probably gonna go really hard on this next grow. So the next couple of weeks are gonna be really exciting. I gotta actually switch those cords. So I actually basically got to take off. I want to switch this because it's being pulled right here. Actually, it looks kind of silly too. So I got to switch this entire light around the opposite way. This way the cords will run down this way because I have all my power running over here. And just last night, there was actually a cord running from over there all the way over here across the ground for months. But now I finally actually brought it through over the ceiling into here. And now it's nice and clean in here. So I'm pretty stoked to get this going. But the more I think about it, I could literally get, and I've been talking about this for months and episodes over episodes of taking 2 of these type of racks, getting one lined up right here, getting another one lined up right here, the same exact setup with a tier up here, tier down there. And this way I could actually just walk through the middle and have a grow set up to my left and a grow set up to my right. That is the future for this space. That is the real future for this space. So I'm pretty excited about that. But I might have to retire this light. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to spend some money. If you're new to the channel, everything is down below. I link all the products that I use down below. As you can see here, this light has seen its days. It comes on, it comes off, but I can't have it being like this. I can't have it taking forever to turn on. And I just haven't had luck with keeping housing and replacing the bulbs. If you have, any type of comments or feedback in regards to changing out lights and keeping the housing, how do you guys do it? I did that for that light right there. This is a 4 bulb, and it's just not the same. Like the bulbs are kind of spotty. I don't even know what to call it. There's almost like electricity running through them, which is not electricity, but it just looks weird. But if you have any type of feedback for me on, how to fix this, let me know down in the comments, please. But I think before the winter, probably in the next few weeks, I'm looking to get a brand new one for up here and just a setup of 2 brand new ones, T5s like I'm running here, down right there. And it's going to be freaking awesome. I'm going to have 3 reservoirs down below, 3 reservoirs up here, probably a bunch of lettuce, probably some basil, and I don't know, what should I grow? You guys tell me. I would love to get some parsley in here, maybe some dill, because those are some of the things that I'm juicing right now. I'm going heavy on the juice with my cucumber, celery, apple juice, and I really like to throw in a little bit of celery and sometimes dill. So that's what I'm doing right now. But I'm about to go clean this up right now. It's the hardest part about running this operation here is literally cleaning the bins after you're done. That is the most difficult thing, because as soon as I consume all the lettuce, the last thing I want to do is take everything apart and have to take it upstairs or wherever I'm doing it, and try to clean it. What's cool about what I'm going to be doing is, let me take you over here. So right up here, there used to be a room right above me here, like a little bar room. And I got 2 plugins that are currently set up with shark bites right there. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting up a shark bite into probably this one, well, whichever one is not the hot water. And I'm going to have a shutoff valve to it. And basically it's going to be tubing that'll run whenever I need to fill up a reservoir. You have to realize I'm in the basement. For me to get access to water, I got to go upstairs to the first floor. So I have to do 2 pitchers at a time. And I come down here and fill each reservoir up as I'm setting it up. So the reality is, I mean, you're talking, you have to go up and down the stairs 10 times if so to fill up one reservoir with 2 pitchers. It's extremely frustrating and extremely time consuming. So I actually already have the shark bite. I'm going to show you guys as soon as it's set up. Hopefully the cord is long enough. I don't know. We'll see. But the idea is to just make it as easy as possible to keep the operation flowing. That is what's most important. How do you make this as simple as possible and keep it running? Keep it running. So this is where I am, guys. This is Mike with Growing Indoors 365. Check out my links down below to all the products that I use, as well as the Facebook channel and my Instagram. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Talk to you guys soon as I get more seedlings across the different tiers here. That's soon to come, probably in the next week or so. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great week. Hope everyone had a nice and safe weekend. Bye-bye.